students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover exercise 5.3. So here first question is match the following. You have to match which is true for this angles. Here it is given some angles and here it is given the revolution. Okay, so straight angle means 180 degree. Okay, and so 180 degree divided by 360 degree, how much? That is half revolution. Okay, so this is your answer, half revolution. Okay, right angle means 90 by 360 degree, that is 1/4. So 1/4, where it is 1/4? Here it is 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, so like this you have to match. Then acute angle is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree is an acute angle. Okay, this acute angle is less than 90 degree. So for revolution it is given, we have the 90 degree revolution 1/4. So what is the revolution for acute angle? That should be less than 1/4 of a revolution, that is A part. Okay, like this you have to match. Now obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So here, okay student, here you can see that obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree but it is less than 180 degree, means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So it will be between 1/4 revolution is for 90 degree and half for 180 degree. So the revolution between 1/4 and half of the revolution, right? Then number 5th is reflex angle, that is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, more than 180 degree, between 180 degree and 360 degree. So it is written that more than half a revolution, that will be your reflex angle. Half revolution is for 180 degree and this is for more than 180 degree. So more than half a revolution, that is your matching part. Okay students, let's do the question number 2. Okay, here you have to classify each one of the following angles as right, straight, acute, obtuse or reflex. So here it is given some figure, you have to measure with protractor or you can easily by seeing, by mere observation you can classify this. Okay, here you can see this is, if you place protractor here, okay, here, so you can see this is 90 degree. Okay, so it is less than 90 degree, you can see. Okay, so this is the acute angle. Okay, and this one less than 90 degree means acute angle. Okay, understood? Then number 2nd, here if you place here the protractor, okay, so this is the 90 degree, so it is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so greater than 90 degree means this is obtuse angle, right? Number 3rd part is, this is the, you can see perpendicular line, so this is the right angle. This is the straight line, means perpendicular line to this line. Okay, so this is the 90 degree and this will be the right angle. Number 4th is, here you can see this is 180 degree line, that is the straight line. Okay, and this one is a greater than 180 degree, it is greater than 180 degree. So it is the reflex angle. This is less than 90 degree, this is greater than 90 degree. Okay, now you can see here the 5th part, here it is a straight line and this is the angle. So that is the 180 degree. In the straight line, what will be the angle is known as straight angle. Okay, number 6, that is the last part. This one, if you place here the protector, okay, so this will be your 90 degree and this is the less than 90 degree, and from this point this is the 90 degree and this is the less than 90 degree. Okay, so here in the both case it is less than 90 degree, so it will be the acute angle. Okay. Okay students, I hope you understand up till here. In the next video, I will come with the exercise 5.4. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.